Now, today studied the concept of cryptography. Cryptography. Before this cryptography, we clear that suppose one message, sender can send a message to the receiver. This sending means here can be require the internet. इंटरनेट के थ्रू सेंडर क्या करेगा, रिसीवर को मैसेज देगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेलो. So example, suppose in WhatsApp, suppose user can send the hello message to your friend, to easily can send the message through the internet. When the mobile data is on, that easily he send the receiver. But in here, one is the hacker to hack the information, and that hacker can change the data, and then after send the receiver. This is also possibility for the hacker. But in concept of cryptography can be done the secure and protect the valuable information to the receiver. So what is the main concept for this cryptography? Suppose for example, sender can send the data to the receiver, but that time here some operation will be performed. That operation is that suppose sender ने टेक्स्ट फॉर एग्जांपल हेलो नाम का टेक्स्ट है, उसे सेंड करना है, तो क्या होगा, फर्स्ट इनक्रिप्ट होगा. वो जो टेक्स्ट है इनक्रिप्ट होगा. इनक्रिप्ट मीन्स हियर कैन बी यूज एज ए इनक्रिप्शन अल्गोरिथम. मीन्स जो हेलो मैसेज है वो पर्टिकुलर कोड में इनक्रिप्ट होगा. सपोज ये हेलो मैसेज है, तो हेलो जो मैसेज है ये इनक्रिप्ट होके चेंज होगा. ये पर्टिकुलर कोड फॉर एग्जांपल एच इज हैश 0213, तो ये पर्टिकुलर इनक्रिप्टेड मैसेज जो है वो कन्वर्ट होगा कोड में. देन आफ्टर डिक्रिप्ट में जाएगा, यहाँ पे डिक्रिप्शन एल्गोरिथम लगेगा. देन आफ्टर डिक्रिप्शन एल्गोरिथम कन्वर्ट दिस coded form to the main plain text. After that sent to the receiver. So these are the process for the sending message sender to receiver through the cryptography. So जो at the time of send होगा, that time some key will be used. That key is called as the symmetric key and asymmetric key. Now we discuss what is the encryption, decryption and key concept. So now here to see encryption. Encryption means the process of transporting information from readable to unreadable format. मीन्स जैसे कि मैंने बताया यहाँ पे हेलो वर्ड है, ये क्या है, रीडेबल है. तो इंक्रिप्शन क्या करेगा, दिस हेलो इज कन्वर्ट टू द अनरीडेबल फॉर्मेट, एंड यहाँ पे यूज़ होगा इंक्रिप्शन एल्गोरिथम आर यूज टू इनक्रिप्ट. देन decryption means the process of transferring data information from unreadable to readable format. So here that is here the encryption means key readable to unreadable, and decryption means the unreadable is converted to the readable. Means here can be used as a decryption algorithm format algorithm. Then after that receiver can receive the data. So here key means at the time of here the particular key is used. That key is to transfer the plain text to the cipher text. तो यहाँ पे वन प्राइवेट की यूज़ की है एंड अनदर पब्लिक की. So what is the actually types of the cryptography and what is the private key, public key, we will study in next video. Okay, thank you.